This is Cooking with Kai on a road trip from the Bahamas. I'm Mike Kai.
I'm Carrie Kai.
And we are having a blast while it's snowing in Ohio in February. We waited 60 years for this. We saved up 11 months. We stopped going out for pizza. Well, not all the time, but we gave up a lot. I shopped at Aldi's, but I like Aldi's. And so that's that. So that's all we have to say about that. What you think about that? I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt.
So sexy.
It hurts.
Here, I'll take a video of you walking in. This is Michael going to comb his hair because it's not perfect enough.
For my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so sexy.
A reprobate.
It hurts. And I am too sexy for Milan.
Back in a moment.
Too sexy for Milan, New York, and Japan.
Well, it's fine. It's just dried out.
You gotta give it the shape.
Gotta get it straight. Ready?
And I'm too sexy for your party. Too sexy for your party. The way I'm disco dancing. I'm a model. You know what?
Look at that.
Nice.
I'm like, you know.
Wow. Check it out. Folks, it doesn't get any better.
It doesn't. You have that sunset over there, and this sunset over here, the cutest man in the world.
With the most
Amen.
gorgeous woman on earth.
Well, yeah.
Carrie.